Supreme Court has ordered releases NewsClick editor Prabir Purkayastha on his plea challenging the arrest by Delhi police in UAPA case. In fact, the Supreme Court now ordering his release. The bench of Justices Gavai, Sandeep, Mehta have said that the remand copy was not provided and that this has violated and vitiated the arrest norms. In fact, the release will be done on the basis of satisfaction of the trial court on furnishing of a bail bond. Let me cut across to our legal correspondent. Before that, some reactions pouring in. Let's have a listen.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज जो प्रेस फैसला दिया इसके बारे में बता सकते हैं क्या बातें थी कई
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने होल्ड किया है कि मिस्टर पुरकस्ते का अरेस्ट और सब्सिक्वेंट रिमांड जो प्रोसीडिंग्स थी वो इलीगल है और डायरेक्ट किया है कि मिस्टर पुरकस्ते को रिलीज किया जाए। बेल बॉन्ड्स फर्निश करने का आदेश है ट्रायल कोर्ट को, जो हम अब करने जा रहे हैं।
तो अब आगे की क्या प्रक्रिया होगी?
सर, अभी तो पहले इनको रिलीज कराया जाएगा सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश के तहत, और आगे फिर देखेंगे जब केस चलेगा, वी विल डू दी प्रोसीडिंग्स।
All right, let me cut across to Kanu Sharda, who's joining us, who's tracking legal developments in the NewsClick case. Kanu, please give us more. The NewsClick boss who's in prison, the Supreme Court observing that they could consider bail. Give us more in detail.
Well, Nabila, the Supreme Court has declared the arrest of Prabir as illegal and void, stating that the remand copy was not supplied to Prabir at the time of arrest. Remember this, the supply of the remand copy was made very categorically clear in the Pawan Balsal judgment, which clearly states that the remand copy needs to be supplied to the accused before arresting them. But since that was not followed by the Enforcement Directorate in this particular case, that is why the Supreme Court said that the arrest is illegal and vitiated the whole process. Now the trial court will ensure the surety and the bail bonds in this matter, because the charge sheet has already been filed in the case and Prabir is one of the accused in this case. So that is why, you know, the Supreme Court has ordered the release but cannot order it directly. Will have to go through the trial court only. During the hearing also, Prabir was represented by senior advocate Kapil Sibal in this case, and he categorically argued only on these points only, that why the arrest was done at the VR and why was he produced at 6 a.m. when the normal the process is that the accused who was arrested can be produced at 10 a.m. also. So these are one of the major grounds that as to why the Supreme Court has come down heavily on the enforcement agencies and said that despite not giving the remand copy is one of the basic reasons why they are declaring this arrest as illegal and void. So now Prabir would be released on bail on the conditions imposed by the trial court in this case. The lawyers appearing for Prabir will be going to the trial court and furnishing those bail bonds, and then he can be walk out of the jail.
All right, so seems like some relief for him. In fact, he's been in prison since October under charges of the UAPA, which the Supreme Court believing that he has the right to be released on bail at the point. We're going to continue tracking this story.